Here I will demonstrate how you can rent out spaces at your marketplace on a monthly basis, and with allocated space numbers. To start, once you have signed up as an organizer on stallpaul.com, go to your organizer dashboard. Then, go to New, and select Event. Then, you will see a page like this. Once you have filled in all the details such as title, description, category and uploaded the photos, go to the Event Data box. Here, we need to specify the details of the spaces we are renting out. There are two options. One is to sell spaces without numbering and the other is with numbering, where each booth is designated a unique ID. Let's choose the one with numbering. Next, go to the Set Space Numbering tab to create the numbers for all the spaces. Here's the floor plan for my event, showing the center court area. I have stalls marked with numbers 401 to 454. Now, I shall enter the name of the area as center court. And under this box, we need to list down all the space numbers. Each number should be separated with a pipe delimiter. We can easily create this list by using Google Sheets. Just add the first and second numbers to this column. Then, select both numbers, and drag the bottom right corner of this cell down. Voila! Our incremental list of numbers is generated automatically. Let's drag this until we reach 454. Once we are done, copy this list of numbers. And then, go to the website, delimit.co. Here, we shall paste the numbers and convert them to a list with the pipe delimiter. Awesome! Now we can select the entire list and copy them. Next, we paste the list here. Make sure the end of the line is correct. Let's save these booth numbers. Excellent. Next, we shall create the months when the space is available. Let's enter monthly rental as the label. Here we shall list of months available divided by the pipe character. Make sure these two checkboxes are checked. And hit save. After this, we need to go to the next tab to create the unique numbers for each booth. Click on the Set Details of Spaces tab. Since we have 55 booths and each can be rented out from January to March, we need to create 165 unique variations. That's 55 booths multiplied by 3 months, which gives us 165. That's not a problem. Just hit on the Generate Variations button. It can generate up to 50 variations at once. Awesome! The booths magically appear. Since we have more than 50 booths, let's generate again. And finally, it's done. Here's where we include the details for each booth. Each space can be priced individually or priced the same. We can also set a discounted price, space availability, dimension of the space, description, and more. Let's set the same price for all the booths. Here's a shortcut. Under the Bulk Actions button, select the Set Regular Prices option. Now all the spaces have the same price. Cool. Next, we need to specify the quantity for each booth, since each unique booth can only be booked once for each weekend. First, we shall enable Manage Units option. Then, we shall enter the unit available. That's it. Let's not forget to upload a unique photo for the booth. Once we are ready, hit the Publish button. And we're all set. Here's the sales page for our event. Here's the short description. The space numbering. The available months. That's all. Good luck in selling your spaces.